Hello and welcome to the video by TrumpExcel. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I will show you how to quickly transpose the data using Power Query. So here I have a small data set where I have these months in a row and I have these regions in a column. Now to transpose this data, I would go to the data tab and click on From Table Range. This opens my data in the query editor, and to transpose this data is just a one click process. So I can go to transform and see what happens. In this case I have these regions here, but I want these regions in a row and I want these months in a column. See what happens when I click on transpose. It gives me these regions in a row, but it doesn't give me the months. And this happens because if I remove this step and go back to the previous step, you can see that these months are now part of the header. And when I transpose the data, the headers are not transposed. Only the data below the header is transposed. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that this is also part of the data. This is not a header. So to do that, I would go to the transform tab, and here I have the use first row as headers option. And when I click on this downward pointing arrow, I have another option which is use headers as first row. And when I click on this, it'll give me this new row that has my headers, and the headers get changed into something very generic such as column 1, column 2 and column 3. Now I can transpose this data. So I would go to transform, click on transpose, and now I get the data that I want. So I have the months in a column and I have the region in a row here with the entire data set. Now if you want, you can change this data set, or if you want, you can promote this row as the header. So I go back and I say use first row as header, and now I can close and load this data. So I go to file, close and load. So this would insert a new sheet here and put the data here. So you can see now it has perfectly transposed my data. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.